Frank, and you know me from my other Frank videos. But today, I will show you the awesomeness of Bop It. Bop It's a fairly easy game that will test my 5-star Golden Olympicness. Now, there's 4 rules to Bop It. If it says Bop It, you bop it. It says twist it, you twist it. It says pull it, shut up, you pull it. And if it says shout it, you shout it. Now let us begin. Shut up!
I score 100. Bop it. Twist it. Pull it. Shout it.
Ah!
Twist it. Twist it. Pull it. Shout it.
Ah!
Twist it. Pull it. Bop it. Twist it. Bop it. Shout it.
Ah!
Pull it. Twist it. Pull it. Twist it. Pull it. Oh, you
Ah!
succeed.
Ah! Damn you, Bop It! Ah! I freaking hate Bop It! Bop It's for wussies.
I'm going to sleep.
Gee.